that this is the deal. I'm gonna give you a piece of paper and everybody's gonna draw.
Today, we're doing some sketches of the chef and the sous chef and the two kids that are going to be in our movie. It's been really fun because no matter what your skill level is, you can just step right in. We've had people who came in yesterday who missed the first week, and we just welcomed them right into the class and gave them a quick update on what we're doing in Mr. Deering's kitchen in Vizcaya, and they just jumped in and helped out. So it's really been a very nice process and really great to meet new people as part of the process.
The very first workshop, Carla was talking about Fantastic Mr. Fox. I had not seen that movie. I watched it for the first time after I attended the workshop, and you can see how much work is put into that. She's showing us every step of the process. As a director, you know, she has to bring everybody together.
This is an armature. This is a bendable armature that is exactly just for that. We need a maid or a cook to help him. Okay. And the blob that we're going to decide together.
So on graph paper, we drew out the puppets and like how big, like it's about like 9 inches. And then we have the little wiring. We drew out the little wiring to make sure they move. And now we're actually going into the process of actually finishing up puppets. I'm very excited about this. It's finally here. Today is the moment.
Mi parte favorita es la madera. Trabajar con la madera, conocer las diferentes durezas, con nuevos materiales, es un mundo de aprendizaje donde he conocido cómo tallar la madera para lograr el objetivo, que es hacer los Muppets.
I've been interested, curious about stop motion, and I'm not really a drawer or animator, but so far it's been relaxing.
For me, this really is out of my comfort zone, but the teachers and the other folks that are helping make you feel so good about what you're doing, even if you feel, you know, maybe it's not as good as my next door neighbor to the right or to the left, but you feel like you're participating and you're helping, and everybody's appreciated for the work that they're doing here.
Vivimos en un mundo de las redes y estamos perdiendo el contacto personal unos con otros, vernos a los ojos, compartir, hacer algo con las manos, ser creativo, y enfrente de ti está una persona con una profesión muy interesante que tú no conoces y que está relajado y estamos todos compartiendo. Venimos aquí, nos ponen los materiales y nos dice qué vamos a hacer con eso. Y de ahí sale la magia.